is, do you keep the hands on plane? And the answer is that's perfect.
Okay. So that's better.
Man, is that nice. You can't do it much better. Now, the one thing from your old swing is you used to come in really steep.
Yep.
So that's what's causing your head to pop up.
Okay.
Because you're like afraid you're going to hit the ground.
Mm-hmm.
Subconsciously, you've developed that habit over a period of however long you did that other swing. So,
yeah.
Well, the good news is your pelvis isn't in front of where it starts. You know, like, and you really don't stand up per se. You hit the ball before you actually stand up.
Mm-hmm.
At some point, to get rid of the hooks, you're going to have to cover it more. Now, what does that mean? When you get the club dropped to about hip high, you've got to turn your chest level left.
Okay.
You've got to feel like you're doing that. If you do that from the top, obviously you'd come over the top. But that would be to eliminate the hooks.
Right about here is where I feel like I get kind of stuck inside.
You want that club to be in line with your hand, and then from there you just turn your chest level left. And your hands are going to feel like they're moving right around your left hip. So if you look at Billy Horschel underneath, but you see he's on plane.
Mm-hmm.
Club's more in front of him there.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
And then here the club doesn't drop underneath.
Yeah, I definitely drop down.
So
that's beautiful. And what are the numbers on that look like? Is that a little bit of a cut?
Yeah, that's a little cut. But he's got an exit that's under his left shoulder, and in your swing, sometimes your exit might be a little high.
Yep.
And that's because of the pelvis extension.
Okay.
But, those are little minor details.
Mm-hmm.
Changing much either. Grant Snedeker is another guy that hits a draw.
Mm-hmm.
And you see,
which is definitely
footage from the sand.
Club comes back straight. Club is perfect at the top.
Expect some footage from the sand.
And the club's dropping under a little.
Mm-hmm. Just to get a little bit of starting right.
So
coming back.
Ideally, you want that shaft to plane out parallel to the inclined plane, establish that address. So,
okay.
So these are just little things, but yeah, he hits a draw, so his
That's
club's
gorgeous.
underneath.